This is not a test. Remain calm. You have trained your entire life for this. Game death incoming. This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. Remain calm. You have trained your entire life for this. Game death incoming. This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. Remain calm. You have trained your entire life for this. Game death incoming. This is not a test. This is not a test.
Hello? Okay, good. That should be working. Let's put some music on. Okay, how's everyone doing? Hopefully you can hear me okay. What's the mystery at your manor? Hello. You don't know yet. It's very much work it out as I go along kind of thing. So I have a few puzzles planned, potentially, but I need to work out what sort of assets to put on them. Yeah. So we've got... Originally I was just going to do like a sort of Mad Max style game, but I thought, nah, it'd be more fun to do a sort of puzzle, hidden object kind of game. So we're going with option 2. So yeah, I'm thinking some sort of ice sculpting thing, which I think I know how I want to do it. You've got to sort of angle the blades in certain ways to sort of create the sculpture that you need. But how I'm actually going to get the object to cut in the correct ways, I'm not sure. Jigsaw rearranging just to find like a key or something. Yeah, just little things like that. But this is the game so far. And there's a little intro. Actually, probably don't need the music right now. Can you hear the game? No. Why? Let's see if I can fix that. I mean, you probably can on my mic, but that's not how you're supposed to be able to hear it. Got audio. We need this one. Twitch mobile app has ads that just play for a minute midstream. A bit loud. How is that in comparison to me? That should be... yeah. That should be okay, right? Okay, anyway. So, basically, very simple intro scene. You're driving along, get a phone call. And then, distracted by fireworks. And boom. And then get some snow crunchings, and then it'll switch to another scene where you wake up in a bed and you're like, oh, how did I get here? And then the rest of the game happens. The only thing I really want to do is actually put some fireworks in the game. Also, this scene is horrendous. It makes the engine chug for some reason. If I try and switch scenes, there's a good delay. Thank you. So let's try doing the fireworks real quick. Let's go with some mission shape point, particle flags, direction. So what do? We will make these red. We will draw them with let's go with the prism mesh. We will move this to around about here. Actually, what we need is the second view. And we need to go to the animation player. We need to get to the fireworksy bit. Actually, what if we do 2 views alt? Maybe that's easier. Yeah, that's easier. Okay, so what we might need is some omni-light as well. Just to sort of tweak the thing. So we want explosiveness. We probably want speed count of like 2. 1 shot. Do we want 1 shot? Probably not. We want to start the emitting here. So we'll set emitting off the start. What? Why are you not? There we go. And then when this fireworks start, we want the emitting to start. Let's go with like 50 particles. We want explosiveness to be like 0.9. We want what do we want? We want, let's put the music back on for now. I want the emitting to come on here. So we need the omni-light to come on. Actually, should we do that with a script? Yes. So we're going to call this fireworks light, and we're going to go badoop. We're going to go func process. Going to have it as red. We're going to energy like 10, and then we'll say how would we do it? What would be the best way to have the light come on like a second and then turn off? Probably a timer. So we'll say func flash if light energy if equal is equal approx light energy and 0.0, we will light energy who's that? The background on Restream is not very good at showing usernames. I assume that's Sticks. Oh, it's Half Moony. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Sorry, I'm trying streaming on 2 platforms right now, but that because reasons. But the platform I'm using to do so has a dark blue background, and everyone's usernames are just very dark. Doing really good, just getting your nose into Godot. Cool. What are you trying to make? Excuse me. Oops. Oh my god. Equals 10. And then we'll say create timer. Wait, can we do create timer here? No, we have to do that as a get tree. Dot create timer. And we want to have that on for like a second. We'll await dot timeout, and then we will do a var bool var fade out bool equals false, fade out equals true. If fade out light energy minus equals fade rate times delta. My keyboard doesn't feel like it's quite in the right place. There we go, that's better. Fade rate float equals, and what we'll do is we'll say, you know what, we don't even need this. We can just get rid of this minute. At the moment I'm aiming to create a game in 7 days, a short 2D pixel horror game where you play a sheep that escapes from the farm into a dark spooky forest in a black and white colour style. Ooh, I like it. 7 days, short 2D pixel. So is that going to be top down or side platformy? Okay, so fade out is true, light energy minus equals, and we're going to say set process true. Excuse me. If light energy is less than or equal to 0, 0. We want set process false, and we want to fade out equals false. Platformer style, and what are you working on at the moment? I am working on my entry for 12 Days of Sketchmas, which is my game jam. Where is it? And that's the art jam. I can get that from the art jam, it's good. So I'm also doing the art jam, which if you've been on Styx's channel anytime recently you'll probably know. But so this is the art jam. This is... Words are not working today. 12 Days of Sketchmas. Boop, boop. It's a interesting one. It's Button Masher and DJ Cutman super standards. There you go. And that's the game jam. And basically I am trying to make a little hidden object puzzly kind of game. But I'm just doing the intro at the moment. The intro has taken a lot longer than I was expecting. Right, so that should work, and then basically what we can just do is when this fireworks red starts, we can call the method. It's cool, can't wait to get my nose back into jams again. Yeah! Well, I mean, you could have been doing this jam, but no. Okay, so we go insert key, and we go flash. Okay, and then we can do that again. You know what, I am going to do it as a one shot, and then I'm just going to copy these two keys. So I've got to be... I gotta do it. Oh, you gonna copy? No, because I need to do this. I need to go duplicate keys. There we go. Okay, so let's try this now. So you're following the lorry. Take a bit more time and get the results that you want to aim for. That's fair. Fireworks should start now. Why am I not seeing fireworks? Oh my goodness, you can stop the sound effect now. Hey. Hey. Oh god. It won't stop. It stopped. Okay. That's upsetting. So, how do we fix? We need to come here, and we need to look at where the... Oh, the fireworks are way too far back. Okay, that's good to know. You're gonna look. Okay, thank you. It is. So the fireworks need to be a bit higher up as well. And then once I've done the one, I can just copy and paste and just change the color. Okay, so initial velocity is like 10. We probably want the scale of the objects to be quite big because they're so far away. So we need to go to the draw, and we'll make this like 3 by 3 by 3. No, I said 3 by 3 by 3. Okay, and then if we do emitting, oh, okay, I know what the problem is. So this needs its own material. So we'll go with new standard 3D material, and we will make these nice and red. Boop, boop. And we want to do a little bit of emission. And we want to emit a red colour. We want to go like 3. And then when we emit, okay, is it too high now? Needs to be right in the sweet spot of where the player can see it. So have I already started turning the... Oh, I have. Okay. So fireworks start here. What? Why can't you see them? What? Oh, because they're horizon now. There we go, that's better. Okay, so we raise them up a bit. There we go. That's what I was trying to do. Okay, now I need to... Okay, we're going to make these 1.5 and 1.5. And we're probably going to change the shape of them to You know, we'll do a sphere, but we'll do like a really low poly sphere. Sort of working. And then we need to do spread is 180. Direction is none. Actually, direction we could make maybe 2 so that they've got a bit of an upward sort of trail. Oh, and I've lost the material. Okay, that's fine. I'm not sure that should have happened, but what do I know? Doop, doop, and we will go for a mission again, and we will red a mission, and we will go with like 5. Sure. There we go. And then the fireworks light needs... Wait, why is this duplicated? Oh, that's what happened. Okay. Right. So then we need to... Scale... Colour. So what happens if I get rid of the colour? Okay. And then the light itself needs to be a big range, like that. Okay. That should be what we want. And then... Okay, so if we now play this, and apologies for the very long sound effect again. Okay. Wait, I know how I can fix this. I can just tell it not to play there. There we go. And we might want to just reduce that in volume just a scooch. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, and then if we do play. Okay, cool. That goes to SFX. Good, good. Okay, and then we want to... So if this is now working, it is. So we can duplicate this, call this fireworks green. I'm not too fussed about making them look different because that's not the goal of this jam. So they can have roughly the same size and shape. I can't remember how you do trails in this. Yeah, I think that's okay. And then we can just move this. Maybe move it down a scooch. Oh, okay, so you're getting the green light from this one. Is it just too high up for the red one? Nope. Okay, I don't know what's going on. And then we can say that crack. So we want this to be emitting on here. Oh, no. We want this one to be emitting on here. So this needs to be off here, so we'll set a keyframe there. And then we'll value on there. And then we So we'll say func ready. We want the light to just be at 0. 0. Okay. And we want the flash, so we need to go add, call method track, and fireworks green, light, and insert this, and say flash. Okay. So let's try this again. And we play, no, we run the animation. So we've got the dialogue, and then yeah, it kind of works. Okay. So what we do need to do is make a new material here. Make unique. And we want to change. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. We don't want the mesh to be unique, we want the shader to be unique. And now we make this one green. And save. So you got red one. Can't help but notice that this material copied its settings. It's not on. Okay, so we've got that one now. We go to this one. Is make unique not working? Interesting. What? Oh, wait. So I do need to make the mesh unique as well, okay. So then we can make this unique. Okay, so now this one can be red. That one can be red. This one should be green. Yeah, okay, that works. And then this emission. Green 2. Cool. Okay, so where is this? What is happening? So where's the camera looking right now? There we go, that'll do. So if we just that's, you know what? I think that's good enough. Cool. So Now, let's start working on the jigsaw puzzle. So for that I need this. And we wanted to look at oh my goodness, so much sound going on. So I'm going to go to Pixabay. And we're looking for some sort of like fantasy world. Something like this, but where I can put like a key in it. Don't want anything AI generated. How much are these all going to disappear? Okay, no, good. So do this one. I think I should put save search on. I don't know. I don't trust. Pixabay not to be a bit dodgy when you type in fantasy. Spicy, 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 spicy. How are you? You good? What else could I look for? Clock abstract, maybe? Something like this, or something like this. Aside from not looking forward to Saturday, why? What's happening on Saturday? Quite like that. One of these somewhere. So we'll just go with that one for now. We need to move this onto this screen. I wonder. So I don't need a big one. Do my first video of the year for YouTube, asking people what they want to see. And if they all agree with this other person, then they will want to learn through projects, which means I'll have to actually make a few games this year. I mean, there's worse things you could do. But it sounds good. I like it. Fantasy. Okay. So, what I think I can do is do two things. One is okay, thanks, cat. Bye. Upside, do work for a week and have videos for probably 2 months. Yeah. Or whenever I try to do videos for YouTube, it's agonize over the quality of them and maybe release one after like 3 days worth of editing and retakes and and then what we can do is we can have an outer glow. So I used to do quite a lot of like tutorial videos, and then I just stopped because I was spending way too long sort of just agonizing over them. Okay, so I think we can do that. So if we then save this, save as, we'll put this into dev and we'll call, yeah, okay, that'll be fine. And then we can save both of these. Or do I need to? I don't know if I need to. So what we need to do now is make a new thing. What was the file size, the dimensions of this file? 1920 by 1288. And what we want to do is we want to get the knife tool. So I think what we need to do is we need to make a shape that's the same size and shape as this image. And then we need to go whoop. Oh, is the knife tool not working? What am I doing wrong? Is it because I haven't got it selected? What have I done? Is it because I haven't got the thing selected? Okay. Do as much cutting as I can through pausing OBS recording, so hopefully when it comes to editing it's mainly dropping into my template, cut out spots where I was dumb, zoom into like 500 on things because my viewers are blind apparently. Yeah, that's fair. Oops, what did I do wrong? Oh. Do I need to grab all of this? Is that going to be an easy enough puzzle to solve, do you think? If I make it so that each of the shapes can only have, you know, 4 orientations. Depends who's solving it. I mean, originally it'll be me solving it, but... So, let's take this. Now, there's some way of doing Affinity Designer Blood Fill. Vector Flood Fill. Did you have a good year, New Year and Christmas and stuff? Okay. Okay. So we don't want to do a place. We want to go. So we undo the place. Ugh, okay. And then we need to find the flood fill tool. See, they say that there is a flood fill, right? But I don't see that icon in my list. So we've got that, got that. So it should be below the knife and above the gradient. Unless I've moved it. It's not there. Okay, is it because I need to grab things? No. Is it pixel version? No. Flood fill. What? See, he's not got it in. Is it customizable and I lost it? What? What do I need to put back? What's going on? Oh, it might be. So I definitely see it. There's a flood fill tool there. I'm just wondering if maybe it's been moved in one of the newer versions and they just haven't updated. Yeah. Is it part of the contour tool? No. Windows. Customize toolbar? Nope. Who's hooting? So is this should be Affinity 2. Yeah, Vector Tools V2. Okay, what if we Vector Flood Fill? Allows you, once you are loaded tool shortcut key R. Okay. Set back map. There, okay. Oh, I didn't mean to put that in there, but that's fine. Oh, thank you. Not seeing it. There we go. Thank you. That would have driven me nuts. Also apologies for hitting the mic. It's not my intention. Cat tool? There's a cat tool? Well, that's going in the toolbar. Given how much of a fuss they make about the vector flood fill tool being like a really cool thing, not having it on by default is surprising, but hey ho. Now, that did not work how I expected it to. What? Ah, there we go. Right, let's try making some cats. Ah! Okay. Let's stick it in the background somewhere. Let's stick it on the girl's head, because I didn't even see the girl there. Stroke. There we go. Okay. So now how do I export this nicely? We want to go File, Export, Selection. Okay, this is going to be a bit more work than I thought it was going to be. That's fine. Just slice them all up. So we're gonna go jigsaw 1. I'm gonna say top row 1. I need these two to be separate somehow. Oh, I see. Oh, I see what happened. Oh. Okay, we start again. But now I know what I'm doing this time, hopefully. So interesting. Okay, I probably don't even need to start again. I just don't know how to fix what I did wrong. So we'll go with this. We'll go... Oh, that just needs to be there. Okay, cool. So we're going to try doing the knife tool again. And we want to go there. And then what do we have? I can just do it again. We can cut this one here. I don't know. This is going to work as a puzzle. No, I don't like that. Dang it. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guess if we split this one here. Oh no, what have I done? Okay, and then we want to do flood fill. Set bitmap fill. Okay. Oh, it's done it again. 1,000-piece puzzle. Make it. Yeah, but the problem is I then have to I have to physically place everything in Godot, and I don't want to do that. Why has it done it? It's 2 curves this time. No. What am I doing wrong? Okay, we'll try it one more time. We'll hide the cat for now. You know what, I might even just start a new file. Be easier. 1920 by 1288. Okay, so we'll try this again. Let's make it a red colour just for now. Maybe that will be easier to see what I'm doing. Knife. Auto close. It's probably what I want. Okay. That is not what I want. Okay. Okay. I just need to work out how to do this, and then sounds like a me problem, everything apparently. Yeah. I think it's when they overlap like that, but I don't know how to fix it. See, suddenly it's two curves. Maybe I just need to not bridge two things. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That'll do. Why? Why? Do you know what I'm doing wrong? Okay, I'm going to go back to that video. Or more specifically, I'm going to go jigsaw in F. There we go. Right. So what does he do? Shape. Oh, he uses the pencil tool. Oh, I thought he was using the knife tool. Okay. Then he splits them with the... yeah. Oh. Oops. It's me, I would just use the pen tool and paste my image inside each curve. Okay, let's try this one last time. Okay, so we get the pencil tool. Which is inside there, okay. Ooh, don't like that. Needs to be more of a wonky shape. There we go. Two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I've left a really big one. So I guess we can make this like 12 puzzle pieces, I guess. There we go. And then we grab all of this. We say divide. See, I would be mean. I would come out of each corner so that there's no obvious corner piece to start from. Yeah, I did consider something like that. Why? Why are you being so difficult? Oh, okay. I see. So I don't need that. Go with, please. Thank you. Okay. This should not be so hard for me. Right, okay. New jam game, yeah. Learning to draw. I'm not learning to draw, I'm learning to break things up. Okay, and then... Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. What am I a home wrecker? Yes. I wreck all of the homes all of the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Swing that wrecking ball. Will do. What if we just do this little one there? Okay. Right, now everything is selected, so hope... I see you. Did it work this time? Yeah, okay, that's what we wanted. Okay, there we go. Right, so now we do the vector flood fill. Set the bitmap. Boop, and we go. Now we need to get the cat back. Put it on that little kid's head. Oh, it's just hidden. Okay. Now is the cat... Okay, cat is solidly in a piece, so that was lucky and good. So now what we can do is we can... Excuse me, export selection only, or can I do selection area? No, because then that gets the rest of it. So I just need to select the kitty cat in this. Okay, so we'll do this one. We'll do export, selection only, top row 1. File, export, top row 2. Top row 3. What do you know? If it works, what do you know? It works if you do it right. Yeah. So we'll go top row 4. Done that one. So we'll say export. Yay, there's the kitty cat. Middle row 1, I guess. Oh god. Maybe we don't do this based on row numbering. But how else would we do it? Middle row 2. File, export. Middle row 3. Have I done that one already? I haven't, have I? No. So we'll do that as... No, okay. Bottom row 1. File, export, bottom, oops. Bottom row 2. Is there any I've missed? Bottom row 3. The wonky boy. Bottom row 4. File, export. Now, the question is, how am I going to do the snapping points when they're such weird shapes? Do I just do like within a certain tolerance of correct? Bottom row 5. Okay. So now we can go to new scene. And we don't need this view anymore. Don't even need the animation thing for now, I don't think. So we're going to go with a 2D scene. We're going to call this broken picture jigsaw puzzle, I guess. And we're going to add a texture, a sprite 2D. Okay, we're going to put this in just as a reference point. I'm going to do this from top left. And then what we want to do is we're going to call this reference. Then we're going to make a node 2D. And we're going to call this puzzle layout. And we're going to do markers and sprites. So what if we, excuse me, we'll make that a little bit smaller. Okay, and then we're going to go quick load, tap row 1. So that one doesn't need to move at all. Excuse me. You can just eyeball this, right? We can just about eyeball this. Okay, and then middle row 1 goes here-ish. Oh. What happened there? Okay, apparently we can't quite eyeball this. Middle road. I mean, we can. It's just. Middle road 3. It's working. Bottom row 1. The child is split. Bottom row 2. Duplicate. Bottom row 3. Then we're going to have the big boy. The big old wonky boy. Now, is it going to be too mean if I also rotate the objects? There. Okay. Now we can turn off the reference. If there's any gaps, doesn't look like there are. There's a Dobby there! What? Was that Dobby there the whole time? Oh, we can't have that. What do we do about that now? Like, I'm okay with that, because that's clearly just some Daz 3D, but that's like actually Dobby. And annoyingly, he's split between 3 things. So, elf. No, not that kind of elf. Not that kind of elf. Not that kind of elf. Actually, that kind of could work. It's a bit scantily clad, but what about this one? Would this do? Can I make that work? We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Because I can't be having Dobby. Okay, so what we need to do is file, place. We want to go here. Just need to cover up ye old Dobby. So how best to do that? You know what? I'm leaving it like that. That works fine, right? Do it really roughly first, just to see if I can get away with it. I think I can probably get away with that. Just need to go around her real quick and... Nope. Boop, boop, boop. Wah. Yeah, okay. No, Dobby's back. Didn't quite get rid of Dobby. There we go. That'll do. I'm okay with that. And then we can just do an adjustment to bring her down in the mix a bit. There, now no one can tell Dobby was there. It's foolproof. Right, and then we can export this as dev. No Dobby. Okay. And then what we need to do is grab all of this again. We go to the vector flood fill. You know what? I'm going to save this first. I'm going to call this broken picture puzzle v1. Save it as v2. And hopefully then if things go badly, I can fix it. Oh, what do? I am trying to make a hidden object kind of game akin to the Nancy Drew ones, I guess. And I'm trying to break up the image so that I can put it into Godot. So, yes! I thought you might enjoy that. Set bitmap fill. We want no... We don't want no Dobby. Because I need to hide this first. Okay, now we want no Dobby. So this image just had Dobby in it. Like straight up from you know, the Potters. Okay, so we want to come back here. We want to go... look, there he is. Why is he just... Like, it's not even like fan work. I'm pretty sure it's just him from the films, and then just a random child that works. So what we're currently doing is getting distracted, but also no Dobby. There we go. Now Dobby is gone. He looks like he's hiding something. Yes. Right, so now I've got to do this all over again. Okay, so we go 1, file, export, selection only. There must be a better way of doing this. Top row 1. Yes. Actually, wait, I don't need to. I can just replace these two, because nothing else has changed. So we can export this one, which I think is top row 4. Is it? What are you up to? Top row. There's no Dobby in top row 4. Oh, there it is. Middle row 3. Yeah, you. So that's bottom row, whatever. Bottom row. 5. Middle row 4. Middle row 2. Wait, sold which car? The new one or the old one? Why would you sell the new one? It must be the old one, right? Okay. Yay! Dobby's gone! I did it! Okay, so guess now what we can do is scale these both down. So what if I do a parent node to both of these? I'm going to call this layout. Point 5 and point 5, and then we can center this, which we'll just do, oops. Okay, and then we're gonna call this puzzle pieces. And then we're gonna go whoop. So what I could potentially do is make a little area, and if they're within the area, then it's good enough, and then they just snap to their snap points. Do I look angry? I think it's because the light's shining in my eyes weirdly, and it's just making me want to go. Arr. Okay, so now, theoretically, we can... You know what we're going to do? We're going to go puzzle. Angry. How was your first day back at work? Wait. Tweaked intro animation. Working on a puzzle. Jigsaw style. Yup. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Close. Okay, so then what we can do is... Actually, you know what we could do? We could... Just to make it more obvious, the shape of the picture. Pixabay. Picture excuse me. Picture frame. And we want vectors or illustrations. It's going to be in a manner, so it needs to be sort of fancy-ish. Let's do it as illustration. Oh no, calling myself out here. Just, you know, just in case anyone doesn't get it. Just in case. Yeah. Nothing to see here. Nothing at all. And again, just, you know, nothing at all to see here. You know, nothing bad. Anyway, so let's go with this one. This one will do. Could work. So I think the width is just about right now. Not quite, so we'll say 1.25. And then we need to work out the height scale. Needs to be a bit less than that, 1.1. Oh, dang it, I didn't. Oh. Oh. Okay, so that needs to be 1.2 maybe? No, not quite. 1.15. You know what? Good enough for now. We can fix it later. Oh, but the frame, frame, and that wants to be above the reference, below the, okay, and then we can just move and rotate some of these items manually. I feel like I should have them be, you know, fixed rotations, because otherwise it's going to be too hard to A, control, and B, puzzle. So we'll say 90, wait, what? Oh, 180, okay. Transform minus 90, I guess. I think I've done a dumb, but that's okay. I feel like I need to maybe make this puzzle smaller still. This one I think should definitely be rotated to confuse people. There we go. Okay, so I think I should have parented these. I should have made areas parents of these first so they could grab them easier. The other thing to do would be to make them a UI element. Ads. Maybe I could do that still. Okay, so what's the best way to solve this? When released, if position is within tolerance and rotation is correct, snap to the correct position. Okay. Jigsaw puzzle 1. Options. 1. Bear sprites. Well, because sprites themselves don't have any mouse. Yeah, okay, so they don't have. So I do need to have on areas for grabbing. Determine solution based on approximate position and correct orientation, then snap to correct location. 2. Area at correct location. Area containing sprite. Determine solution based on overlap. Snap to correct location. 3. Texture rectangles. Texture rects for image. Area for detecting approximate position. Pros built-in mouse detection with isolation. Or piece in puzzle pieces don't get children. If piece dot position excuse me, if piece dot position minus piece dot position minus Can an area detect if new scene 2D scene area 2D Okay, so what I could do is I could have area 2D, collision shape, and this would be the snap point. And then we'd have a texture rect. And that would be top row 1. And then that would also have a snap detection. And we'd make these just really small. Yeah, 20 by 20 will do. They can be the same one, I think. And then the idea would be, so then I guess the snap detection could be a little bit more forgiving. So we'd make maybe this make 40 by 40. And then the snap point could just detect. And then we'd say but do I need to do that? Do I need the overlapping areas? Can I not just say or texture rects or image and dragging when released, check if within forgiving bounds, and snap to required point. Okay. I don't know which one I want to do. They all have their pros and cons. The areas, I guess, is the most foolproof, I guess. Okay, let me think. The advantage of... So we just make these not pickable. Oh, that's new. Okay. So we're going to do this as a test. do jigsaw position test 1. Okay. So what we'll do is we're going to say little script. We're going to say if event is input event mouse button, if event dot pressed drag equals true. Dragging if event is input event mouse motion, if dragging position equals event dot mouse. Actually, what we could just do is say dragging equals true equals event dot pressed. Now we'll do if event dot pressed dragging equals true, else check position pass equals false. different one. Let's do a more different one. So we will, oh, and then we say if, oh, okay, so we want to say if event dot button index equals button input dot if event dot button index equals mouse button right, we want to say rotation plus equals rotation degrees plus equals 90, rotation degrees equals degrees dot clamp, no, wrap F 0 and 360. Okay. If event dot pressed so we'll move you over like so. And we want these two to be on layer 1 detecting layer 2, and these two to be on layer 2 detecting layer 1. So they can't detect each other. And then what we'll do, snap point 2, if we do a quick load, top row 2, wait, what? What's this one? It's top row 1, right? What have I done to myself here? Are they scaled differently? It's almost like they're just different scales, which shouldn't be a thing. Weird, okay. I mean, it doesn't really matter, it's just for testing purposes, I guess. So you can put you like this, we can put you like this, We can snap point here. Okay, and then we'll do a debug. Visible collision shapes. Save. Boom. Cool. Okay. What if we do our grab position vector 2, and we want to say grab position equals global position minus actually get, oh god, how did I do that? What? Get global mouse position minus global position, and then we want to say get global mouse position plus grab position, and that should just feel a bit nicer. It won't snap. Maybe. There we go, that's what I want. Okay, so we go like that. Okay, so that would work essentially, but the rotation is not where I want it to be. And it messes with the dragging. Can I rotate it around the... Is that going to mess with things? Probably it shouldn't do. Pivot point equals... grab position? Yeah, there we go. Cool. So I think that's the way to do it. Okay. So that just means that I now need to undo all of this. Or does it? So I can at least add the areas to this. And we'll put this on layer 2. Okay. Maybe we start again. Because the... Yeah, okay. So I'll say puzzle pieces control. And we're going to add text direct. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm going to delete this. Snap points control. Okay. So I think this is okay now. Now the only thing is, does this inherit the scaling of this? So if we go 0.1. Yes. But does it? We'll see. Quick load. Top row 2. I don't think they're keeping the scale right. What? Okay, I'm going to try starting this again, just completely from scratch. Sorry about this. Okay, so we're going to go jigsaw puzzle 1. And we're going to go add no 2D, and we're going to call this layout. We're going to add the sprite 2D, which is the picture frame. And we're going to call that picture frame. We're going to add the node 2D. We're going to call this pieces. I'm going to add another one. We're going to call this snaps. We're going to add a texture rect with an area and a collision shape. We're going to put this on detect layer 2, and we're going to do input pickable not. Okay, so then we'll call this piece 1. Quick load. Top row. duplicate this. Top row 2. Why is this happening? Am I just being a dumb? Am I just being a dumb? Okay. I'm not, am I? There's something going wonky with this. Ugh. Okay, so maybe we don't need to restart this. We can just keep going with this one, and we just... There we go, okay. Is it just because I've set... Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, that'll do. Make the frame a little bit bigger, maybe. Middle one of 3. Okay, so then we have 5. Hi, how are you? Sorry, I was deep in concentration trying to lay these things out. Yeah, so I'm trying to do like a sort of a hidden object game, like the sort of Nancy Drew games. So this is going to be one of the types of puzzles, I'm hoping. But I thought I'd make it difficult on myself and make them weirdly shaped, and it's proving to be a bit of a head scratcher getting it all sorted out. Fit. Why doesn't it fit? What's wrong? piece there. No, because this piece isn't right. Or is it? I don't know anymore. There we go. Okay. And then this piece goes here like so. Did you have a good New Year's and everything? Did you do anything for Christmas or similar? Four. That's not the right one. It needs to be bottom row 5. And then this one must be that one needs to come. Oh yes, this one. It was very basic, visiting family and did short trip to the Netherlands. Ah, yeah, I saw. What did you do in the Netherlands? Anything fun? We just had like a normal Christmas, but my mum finally caught COVID for the first time, so she wasn't able to attend, which was a bit weird, but you know, she's fine now though. What? This piece is wrong. This piece is wrong. Getting there. Do you have family there, or was it just like a holiday trip, or? It's this one that needs moving. How has this happened? There, no. How has this happened? Oh, you know what I need? No. I was just interested in Amsterdam because I hear a lot of good things about the city planning, and it was really outstanding how many bicycles you saw. Yeah, I went to Blender conference in 2012. There were just bikes everywhere. Is anyone going to notice and or care that this piece is just slightly wonky and I don't know why? Do it like that, and then okay, that piece is definitely lined up correctly. So is it this piece that's wrong? Whichever piece that is. Was it expensive where you stayed? Because when I went to Amsterdam, the only place we could find was really expensive. It's just like, whoa. Okay. I don't understand. Is that right? Okay, and then if we bring this bomb back. This is now looking a little wonky that way. Is this a pixel precision thing? Is this the closest I'm going to get? Well, it was expensive, also around Sylvester. All hotels are charging extra. What have I done wrong? Okay. I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. Oh, still. We'll just pretend it's not there. We'll pretend it's not there and it'll all be good. Okay, so now what we want to do is grab all of these. There's got to be a better way of doing this, but I'm not sure what it is right now. So we're doing it like this. Oh no, did they not keep that? No. If I hide the book. Why? Why? Okay, we're gonna save this. Sort out the jigsaw. Oop. Solution-y stuff. Close. Okay, so let's delete these two now. Why is it not keeping its relative location? It's very weird. What if I do it as a... So what if we just did... Just trying to work out the quickest way to do this, because it's confusing me a bit. Okay, so what if we did... We'll do another one. We'll do a thing and we'll say starting positions. And then so here's the question, would you go back to Amsterdam? That's fair. I didn't get a huge amount of time to experience it, so I wouldn't mind going again, because basically I spent we had some problems with our flight, so we ended up getting in about half a day later than we wanted to, so it was basically get to the hotel and then have a little look around. And then it was basically conference, and then we had like half a day before the flight back, so yeah, I didn't get as much chance to look at it as I wanted, but you know. So 4-piece in, let's control.getChildren, print, debug. Now I'll do print piece.global position. Do I want global or do I want local? I don't know. Do position, I guess. Okay. I'm sure there's a better way. My brain just isn't working right. So we've got area 2D. And we will go vision shape. And we will say rectangle shape 2D. We will say 20 by 20. Yep, that works. And then we'll go and we'll transform this to 6667. $533.333. $1016.56 by oh. Is that what the problem is? Okay, I don't get that. 580. What? Oh. Okay. There's definitely something wrong. I can't quite work it out, but it's good enough. Okay, so 2D4 is that. I mean, these positions don't necessarily need to be exact because we got the area to sort of compensate a bit. So we've done that one, we've done that one, we've done that one, we've done that one. So then this one needs to be 300 by 277.778. And then this one needs to be 860 222.222. And then this one needs to be 1335.56 by 6.66664. That'll do. This one needs to be 0 by 600. Okay. This is working reasonably well, I think. 5.1 5.555 and 9978 464.4 626.667 and the last one 1151.11 by 726.667. Okay, cool. So theoretically now I'm going to save this, I'm going to commit it. That is not what I wanted to do. I'm going to commit it. Okay, and then what we want to do is rotate everything and move everything. Evil. Okay, then we need to put the script on. We can probably just copy the script. So we'll call this puzzle piece. And then we'll say signal released. Released.emit self. We'll say piece dot released dot connect self dot on piece released func on piece released piece check solution. Excuse me. Snap to nearest area. or piece. If piece dot rotation does not equal return false. True. And then we need to check var piece ID equals 0. If snap that's right. If snap points control dot get child 0 piece ID dot get overlapping. Wait, no. If not piece in get overlapping areas, turn false. Okay, and we'll say print debug solution correct, and then we say signal puzzle solved. Okay, so if equals is equals prox okay, let's see if this works. Dang it. Oh, yeah, because I need to put the script on all of these pieces now. That was silly of me. That's upsetting. Oh well. That's on me just for not planning ahead properly. Okay. Okay. What? Why? So why is it working on this one and not the other one? So it works on this one, right? Yeah. I wonder if it's because this is in the way or something. Oh, do these have... Yeah, okay. So these shouldn't have pickable on. And these should be on layer 2, detecting layer 1. Okay, let's try this now. What? Why? Oh. Yay, okay. Except it's not quite working. If piece don't get overlapping areas. Equals piece dot get overlapping bodies dot global position. I wonder if this is a problem because I've scaled everything. Do I have to take into account the scene scale? Oh, piece dot get node if piece dot has node snap detection. Might be time to call it in a few minutes. Just not making good. Yay, okay. Doesn't mean it's in the right position, mind you, but... So if I intentionally put one in the wrong position, which I might actually do because I can't work out which one this is supposed to be. That's this one, I think. Yeah, okay, so if we put this in the wrong position. Oh. That's a problem. Oh no, that's a big problem. Oh no. Oh, that's an issue. I don't know how to fix that. Oh wait, if not piece in snap point control dot get child. Attempt to find an object type texture rect. Oh, yeah, so if not piece dot get node snap detection. That's what's wrong. Okay. Okay, we'll try this one last time. And then I think I might end it for tonight. So this needs to go here. This needs to go here. Oops. Oh, dang it. This needs to go there-ish, I think. No, that one's this one. See, this is a slight problem. But we can fix it. It's fine. We'll fix it. Like so. Boom. debug. Piece is not oriented correctly. Piece is not in the correct position. Piece dot name. I can't remember where this one goes. Okay. That one definitely goes there. The little fairy lady. Oh yeah, okay. And then this one goes. Wait, that one goes there, that one goes there. And this one goes there. Huh. Puzzle piece is not correctly oriented. Oh. One last time. Why? But you are corrected, or you are oriented correctly. If not is equal prox. Okay, if piece brute force it. Okay, so that works. You are in the correct position. What are you on about? Piece 2 is not in the correct position. Not piece dot get node, snap detection. Piece 2. Okay, well that needs fixing. Okay, I think I'm going to end it there for now. Is there anyone we can raid? Let's go with Melted. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully be back for the next couple of days to finish this project off, and then we'll see where the rest of the year takes us. Bye!